With this app, you can recover and read deleted messages on YouTube, whether it is a picture, video, audio, or voice note. This app will recover it and you will get to see it. So we head to the App Store right away to install this app. Install this app, open it and give the necessary permissions and notification access. And you are good to go. This is the app. It recovers deleted messages on any app. You will get to select the app you want. This is where you select YouTube. Just tick the box. Check the box for YouTube. We want to monitor YouTube. Whenever anyone sends you a message and deletes it, this app gets to recover it, be it a voice note, video, a picture, or a GIF, whatever kind of message, it will be recovered and you will get to see it. So give notification access so that this app can function very well. Allow. So if there's any deleted message, it will be shown here once you launch the app. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.